In this video, we're going to walk through how to insert a spinner to increment our interest rates. And we want to increment them from 1% to 20%. First thing we need to do is put the spinner in. So we go up to the developer, over to insert, and select the spin button and click anywhere, and that puts it there. We can, of course, move this around and we'll be able to resize it. But for now, let's right click and we're going to want to format the control. We want the minimum interest rate to be 0.01 for 1%. We want the maximum value to be 0.2 for 20%. And we want to link that to, we're going to link it to both the coupon rate and yield to maturity, but for now let's select B for the coupon rate and we'll hit OK. Now let's make the spinner work, and notice nothing is happening. And the reason for that is if we go back in, and again to go back into our spinner, right click, we go to format control, and we can see the minimum value was 0 and the maximum was 0, but we had put in 0.1 and or 0.01 and 0.2. We can only have these in increments of 1. So we're going to put from 1 to 20. And let's hit OK real quick. And notice, well, now the interest rate's 100%, 200%. That's not what we want. So let's format our control one more time. Right click, format control. And instead of linking this to cell B4, let's link it to cell C4. And now I would hit OK. And let's see what's happening on cell C4. We're changing it. Now we can link our coupon rate to what's in cell C4. So equals cell C4 divided by 100. And now we've got a spinner that will increment our interest rate. And we can move that on top of cell C4 and shrink it down to size. So we're hiding that underlying value. And away we go. And you'll want to do the same thing with a spinner for a yield to maturity.